Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax extension online using TurboTax. First, gather your personal information, including your social security number and date of birth. Next, estimate your income and any deductions to determine if you might owe taxes. This preparation helps ensure a smooth process when you begin the online filing. Having these details ready saves time and prevents errors. Once logged into TurboTax, navigate to the section for filing an extension. You'll typically find this under the Other Tax Situations or Tools menu. Carefully review your personal information to ensure it is accurate for the current tax period. The system will then ask if you anticipate owing taxes or receiving a refund, which is important for the next steps. If you expect to owe taxes, you can make an estimated payment when filing your extension. Enter the amount you anticipate owing to the IRS. TurboTax offers various payment options, including direct debit from your bank account, which is often the easiest. Double-check all payment details to avoid any issues, ensuring your payment is correctly processed with your extension. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information on your extension form. Confirm that your personal details and any estimated payment amounts are correct. Once satisfied, electronically sign and submit your federal tax extension. TurboTax will provide a confirmation number. Be sure to save this for your records as proof of filing. You've successfully extended your deadline.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.